Hi everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Back in the fall of 2013, I visited Morocco for the second time, this time exploring the northern part of the country. We based ourselves out of the city of Tangier and took day trips to visit all the places you're going to see in this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 places to visit in northern Morocco. And before we jump into the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when all the new videos drop. First up is the seaside resort town of Asilah, which is located about 30 kilometers south of Tangier, or roughly a 45-minute drive. The former Phoenician settlement dates back to the year 1500 BC, and in its history has been part of both Portugal and Spain, in addition to Morocco most recently. Asilah is a fortified town, and its bastions, ramparts, and gateworks are still fully intact. The bastions give the town a unique, secluded feel and is the perfect place to catch Asilah's spectacular sunsets. Asilah hosts annual music, arts, and cultural festivals, including the International Festival, which features art exhibitions and jazz and Moroccan music, and a world-famous mural painting festival. Our next location is the Caves of Hercules, also known as Les Grottes de Hercules. Located about 14 kilometers west of Tangier, or about a 30-minute drive by car, these caves are steeped in legend. According to the legend, these grottos are where Hercules rested after he completed the 12 labors that ensured his immortality. Inside, these particular man-made caves are massive. You can walk through too many other caves. Much of the cavern's interior was created while quarrying for millstone, which left marks that are still visible today. The cave's most distinctive feature is the opening to the sea, the map of Africa, which resembles the continent of Africa in reverse and changes color throughout the day as the tides shift and the time changes. Take a 2.5-hour car ride southeast of Tangier and you'll find yourself in Chefchaouen, known as Morocco's Blue City, which gets its nickname from the beautiful blue-tinged buildings that the city is well known for. Chefchaouen's Medina, or the Old Arab Quarter, is a colorful and vibrant labyrinth of narrow streets and alleys that is best explored by simply getting lost and wandering on foot. So be sure to wear comfortable walking shoes. If you want to avoid the tourist traps of the main square, when you're ready to eat, check out Asilah restaurant in the Casa Hassan Hotel. It serves up mouth-watering local foods for reasonable prices and is perfect for groups of all sizes. Next up is Tangier. This was my home base during my time in northern Morocco. Beyond the gates of the Medina, you'll find hundreds of winding cobblestone streets, along which you'll find lots of shops, open-air markets, restaurants, tea shops, and hotels. Make sure to wear comfortable walking shoes. The street layout is complex and there are some uphill climbs. At some point, take a few minutes to kick back with some mint tea and do some people watching at one of Tangier's open-air cafes. Cafe culture is king in Tangier. For a pair of great souvenirs, buy a jalaba, which is a traditional jalaba gown, and traditional leather balgas, which are high-quality, heelless slippers that come in a variety of colors. If you can't make it down to the Sahara, I suggest going to Tangier Beach and spending €5 to go on a 30-minute camel ride. The ride is bumpy, but worth it. For the best dining experience in the city, I highly recommend Raya Tanja, which features live music every night and serves delicious Moroccan tangines in an intimate dining space. And El Morocco Club, where you'll eat some mouth-watering Moroccan fusion cuisine. Last on our list is Tetuan, one of Morocco's 2 major ports on the Mediterranean, which lies just a few miles south of the Strait of Gibraltar and 60 kilometers southeast of Tangier. The city's Berber name literally translates to the eyes. Tetuan's Medina is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There, you can find craftsmen like jewelers, weavers, and leatherworkers, and street vendors who try to sell carpets to tourists. So there you have it, my top 5 places to visit in northern Morocco. And if you guys find yourself like in southern Spain, I recommend taking a ferry and crossing the Strait of Gibraltar and going to Tangier and doing everything I listed in this video. And if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next travel adventure. Peace.